How to fix Prizepicks payment failed. So I'm going to show you the reasons for your payment failing and how we can fix it. And one of the reasons might be insufficient funds. If you're trying to deposit funds into your account, make sure that you have sufficient funds and double check your balance. That's the solution. There also may be payment method issues. So certain banks or card providers block transactions related to gaming or fantasy sports. You want to try a different payment method if that is the case. Another reason might be card verification, so make sure you verify your card before you make any payments. The fourth reason might be payment limit exceeded, so if you have spent or exceeded your limit for the day, you want to wait another day and try again. Expired or invalid card. Your card could have expired or the details entered might be incorrect, so double check all of the details and the expiration date as well. Platform specific issues. There may be technical issues on Prizepicks end that cause the payment to fail. You want to wait a few minutes or hours and try again. Geolocation restrictions. Prizepicks is not available in certain locations due to legal restrictions, so make sure that you are in a state where Prizepicks operates. Prizepicks account issues, so if there's an issue with your account, such as a hold or verification issue, payments might fail. You want to check your account for any notifications. Security or fraud detection. Your payment may have triggered a fraud detection alert by your bank issuer. You want to contact your bank or payment provider to clarify the situation. And what you can do is either use a different payment method or you can contact customer support. You will just go search for Prizepicks customer support and tell them the issue and they'll help you further. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.